Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix touch screen not responding on your VIVO V60 Lite. So first, remove the screen protector or a case because it can cause a lot of interference, and let me explain why. When you have a screen protector that's basically covering the part of the screen, then that's already bad and it can cause your screen to become less responsive. And it may happen if the case is not original, or maybe just the case was made out of a bad dummy phone. So what you guys want to do next is, let's move on to the case. So not the case but the screen protector. When the screen protector is poorly applied or it's misaligned, then it can already cause the issues around the screen. So we need to make sure that it's a high quality screen protector that is placed properly, because otherwise you will just have to remove it. And if that's the case, then do that. Now moving on, we can clean our screen with a microfiber cloth. So grab it, you'll get rid of any fingerprints, of any moisture or debris on the screen. So all you need is a couple of swipes, and after that your screen should be free from any type of dirt. Now after that, what you guys can do is hold the power button and the power up button, and you need to switch to the volume down button now. So you need to do that and just switch it, and you will basically need to force restart your device. So you guys need to try it out. Now keep on holding, and now you can let go. This is the way to restart your device without actually touching on the screen, because when it's not responsive, then that's the only way you can do that. And this refreshes the entire system, and I'll see you guys once everything is back on. Now after the restart, what you guys can do as a last resort is check for software updates. So let's unlock the phone. Now let's wait for it to load and open up the settings. Here in the settings, we need to scroll all the way down until we see system update, and here we will check for updates automatically, so the phone will do that for us. We don't have to worry about that. Here we will see if we run the latest version. So as you guys can see, I do, but if you don't, then you will have a button right here to download and then install the newer software. And that's what you guys need to do. If you don't have any updates like me, then you're good to go. And all you have to do is wait for another update to come out. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.